I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to view your Google subscription billing history. Step 1. Open your desktop web browser, navigate to payments.google.com, and sign in to the specific Google account that holds your active subscriptions. Step 2. Look at the top navigation menu or the menu on the left side of the screen and click Subscriptions and Services. Step 3. You will see a dedicated page displaying all of your current active and past expired Google subscriptions. Locate the specific subscription you want to audit and click Manage. Step 4. On the management screen for that service, find the Transactions section and click View Transactions. In this section, you will see a chronological list of your recent automated payments, complete with the billing dates, descriptions, and amounts. Step 5. Click on any individual transaction row in the list to reveal a drop-down menu with detailed transaction data, including your official Google invoice number, payment method, transaction ID, and tax breakdowns. If you are trying to find receipts for one-off digital purchases like movies, books, or apps that aren't recurring subscriptions, you can find them in a separate tab. Navigate back to the top of the Google Payment Center screen and click the Activity tab. This page gives you a master timeline of all individual Google purchases, Google Store transactions, and Play Store app downloads. Clicking any individual item in this activity log will bring up a full receipt for that specific order. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.